name's Jason Buff. I'm a fine art and editorial photographer. And in this course, we're going to take a look at how to tame light and stop being afraid of it and create beautiful images in your studio. We'll bring it all together with advanced techniques, combining strip lights, umbrellas, and gels to create unique effects that will make your work stand out. I'm going to share everything that I do in post, including my presets. I'm going to give you raw files. I'll give you assignments and things that you can use to actually start creating images on your own.